Morning. We're going over a new section, 11.3. Copy this down, please. A budget chart is numerical entries. A circle graph is also called a pie graph. A line graph is changes over time, and a bar graph is rectangular bars. Okay, open up a book to page 679. We're going to look at the examples together. All right, so if you look here on 679, what you have here is a budget checkoff graph. Notice how they list everything that's due for the month. So if you look right here, mortgage is every month. Insurance looks like twice a year. Okay, et cetera, et cetera. Cell phone, food, child care is every other month. And the vet looks like twice a year for this family. Let's turn the page. A circle graph. Okay, these are called sectors. That's the area of the sector. And if you look at example 2, this one is 40% is household. Okay, that's the budget. And 25% education. Okay, so you'd have to actually use a protractor for that, but you can guesstimate. All right, so 40% of 360. So 40% of 360 degrees, because that's a whole circle. So that's 0.4 times 360. Let's see what that is. So 0.4 times 360. I get 144 degrees. So from here to here would have to be 144 degrees on a protractor. Now the whole half a circle, rather, is 180. So you can guesstimate. Okay? There it is. And that's how you do that. And that's what they did down here. Look. They did 0.4 times 360. There's the angle. 0.25 times 360. That's a 90 degree. So that's a right angle. Okay? And so on and so forth. The whole thing has to add up to 360. Let's take a look at example 3. We have another pie graph or circle graph. And this right here says to estimate. Well, if you look right here, fuel looks like 90 degrees. So that is 25%. That's what that is. Because 25 and 25 and 25 and 25 is 100%. So you would take 0.25 times 800. And this is just an estimate. Okay, we're not going to break out the protractors on that. All right, example 4 is right here. They want a bar graph. They want you to construct a bar graph for that one right there. If you look at the example right here, they have the money on the side, vertical, right here, and they have it labeled. So they have health-related expenses is the title. On the vertical axis, the money, and then down here are the months. And you can see they came up with a scale of 200, 400, so they count it by 200s. Okay? We'll look at the rest of them. This right here is a line graph, example 5. And if you look, here's the line graph. Okay, so you can read over the rest of these. Notice they have the months or the days down here, and then they have the minutes that you used. And this is week 1, different colors. So that's a very nice line graph there. All right, today we're doing 1 through 10. So page 685. 1 through 10. And go back to the examples if you need to. Have a good morning.